Puketapu. Puketapu, Sacred Hill. We're going to talk about the geology of this site. To learn about the cultural story of Puketapu, please check out the Kahurumanu Atlas. From the base of the hill, we take the walking track to the top of this impressive cone-shaped volcano. It is over private farmland and steep with stiles to climb over fences in places. The track is closed during lambing season. Towards the base of the hill, marine sediments deposited in this area from around 60 million years to give way to overlying younger river deposits of Miocene age, around 20 million years old. A change in tectonic plate movement meant the mountain building phase called the Kaikoura orogeny had begun, although uplift of the Southern Alps wouldn't happen for another 10 or so million years. Towards the top, the gradient steepens significantly. This is where we find igneous rocks of the volcano itself. The hard igneous rock is dark, being basaltic in nature. It is exposed here because it is likely that the overlying sediments that would have been here have since been eroded away, and the igneous rock is harder and more resistant to erosion. Puketapu is part of the Waitaki volcanic field. This field extends from near Lake Waihola, south of Dunedin, to just north of the Waitaki River, and inland as far as the Maniatoto. The field was active from around 21 to 9 million years ago with monogenetic volcanoes, meaning the volcanoes had one volcanic episode. This could last weeks, months, or even years. Volcanoes belonging to the Waitaki volcanic field are amongst the youngest in the Geopark, with the next oldest being those related to the volcanism that happened around and inland from Oamaru to the Marowhenua area near Duntroon, from 40 plus to 32 million years. Towards the centre of this field is the Dunedin Volcano, which was active 16 to 10 million years ago. At the top of Puketapu is a monument to John Mackenzie, the Minister of Lands in the 1800s, who saw the division of massive farmland holdings into smaller farm ownership. This monument is made from dark volcanic basalt. From the top, magnificent views of Palmerston and surrounding lands can be taken in. The Township of Palmerston is nestled at the foot of Puketapu. Looking westward in the far distance, we can see flat-top ranges. These are made from the basement rock schist, with localised fault shear zones bearing gold. In the distance, you can spot other volcanic peaks belonging to the Waitaki volcanic field. They scatter the landscape. Looking now towards the southwest, we see Mount Royal, also topped with volcanic rock. Looking southwards now, we see the mouth of the Pleasant River where it meets the Pacific Ocean. This lowland area forms a wetland complex with significant values. Swinging around now to look northeast at the mouth of the Waihemo Shag River and Horse Range. This range was uplifted along the Waihemo fault system, exposing basement rock schist. Further north of this lies Trotter's Gorge, another of our geosites, and a Department of Conservation scenic reserve with beautiful native bushwalks. There is a track near the monument which is a gentler walking option to return back to the base of Puketapu.